Today I will show you how I created this football and animated it inside of Moho, okay? And I will be teaching you everything step by step. So I encourage you to watch this video to the end because I will show you how to get the Moho Pro version software I used to create this football you are seeing now. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel because I post new tutorials every week so that we all can learn and master animation. So let's dive into the main purpose of creating this video. So first of all, I just get a reference. So before you design anything in Moho, you need a reference. So when you have your reference, then you can now click on the reference and then open it on Moho. So automatically you see that I'm opening the reference on Moho. So when you open the software, the next thing you need to do is to go over to layer panel, then add a new layer. Okay, so you add a new layer. Then the next thing, let me just go to Windows and then turn off my timeline so that I'll have enough screen for drawing. Then go to that layer that you draw. Then it depends, you can use the draw shape to add a circle shape. So I'm going to add a circle shape first of all to move the circle to the right position. So when you move it to the right position, go to color. Then we are going to disable the fill so that we can see inside of our drawing. Okay, so your job now is to position it to match with the reference image, and that is what I'm doing right now. So you can then by the time you position it, then the next thing now is you can either use freehand tools to start drawing those lines you are seeing there. Then you use your freehand tool to draw them. Then the next thing you need to do now is, by the time you draw a line, then you can now zoom in and then use your transform point to adjust those lines. But I will just use add point because I'm much used to using add point tools for drawing a Moho. So your job now is to make sure that you draw the thing. You see the way I'm doing it. So just ensure that you draw everything, you connect the thing properly. So that is what we'll be doing until we are able to finish. Then so we'll do the same thing here, keep drawing it, then press enter key. So that is how we'll continue to do it. That is how we'll continue to do the thing. Okay, all right, so continue adding all those things one by one. So guys, I'm creating football. So what do you want me to create next? If you want me to create any other thing in Moho, just write it in the comment section. Whatever you want me to create in my next Moho tutorial, I'm going to create that for you as well. Okay, so that is what we'll continue to add all those points. Before you know it, now we will finish up with everything. So guys, so if you need this project file, yes, because it's going to be available. So if you need this project file, you can always support me and process it and use it in your own animation. Okay, so I'll continue adding all those points. This is the first part. So now I'm done with adding point. Then the next thing is then I'm going to join this one to this point. So I'm going to join these two together. So when you click on a point and drag it to another point, it will join automatically. So far you enabled the auto weld, the thing will join as soon as you bring it close to each other. The point is going to connect, and that is what I'm doing now. So I'll press Ctrl P to make that place pointing. I'll also connect this one, okay. I also connect this one also. So guys, so this is the normal way to draw in Moho, but there are easier ways to draw. There are easier ways to to get all these images. So, and I'll be talking about it at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you won't miss out on that part. So guys, if you want to learn how to create animation videos on your laptop the way I'm doing now, if you want to learn more how to use Moho to create cartoon videos, so I recommend you join my animation class so that I will teach you, how to animate and make your character to move, okay, on your laptop. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I will show you how to join my animation class. So now I'm done with the first part. I'm going to duplicate that my reference. Then be on that layer of your drawing. Now go and use the create shape. See, you see that tool over there, create shape. To use your lasso tool to select any place you want to have a different color. Then press create shape. When you select any shape, it will show a red. It will show red, meaning that shape is okay. You can create a shape out of that selection. But if your own is not showing red, that means you need to use your Alt key to deselect any vertex that is causing the problem. Then I will deselect this vertex now. Then I'll also deselect. Maybe I will just deselect this one. I'll just zoom in to see the issue. You see the issue. So disable that vertex. Then you have your red line. Then you can now be able to create a shape on those areas. So Moho is trying to know where it will create a shape. So that is why you need to select the point that connect. Make sure that those points are well connected. So far the points are connected, the thing will automatically show a red circle that is filled up inside. So that is just the thing. I'll just click on create shape again to create a shape for that one. Then I also see, then you see this one now. This one I will use my transform point to connect this point here and then connect it here. Okay, then I'll adjust it properly. Okay, so I just connect it again, then I'll adjust it. Then I'll bring this one out. Okay, so then let's go back to create shape. Let's continue creating the shape. So let's continue creating the shapes. So select everything, then press create shape. Then we'll do this one also. Then deselect that part with the Alt key, then create a shape. So let's do this one also. The same thing. So this is the second part. But after we finish this part, now the next part is the actual painting. So that is how I'll continue to do the thing. Then I'll deselect this part with the Alt key, then I'll create a shape for it. Then this one I'll do the same thing. Then so this one now will require me to select everything around it. Then use your Alt key to deselect this part, select this part. Then hold down the Shift key to select this part, but hold down the Shift key. Then and now select all those parts. Good. Then create a shape. So we are done with the part 2. Then let's go to the part 3. The part 3 is the actual coloring. So for us to color, just pick any shape that you created. Then use this eyedropper to pick a color. You see how simple it is. So I also pick a color for this one. Okay, and I'll also pick a color for this one as well. So then this other one now, maybe I need to add more points to this one. Okay, I need to add more points to this one. Yes, I need to add a point here. So I'll use my transform, then shortcut is T. By the time you press T on your keyboard, it will create a shortcut. Then I'll use a create shape to create a shape around it, and then use create shape. Okay, you see the way I was able to achieve this particular. I'll now color it. Then this one that is causing issue, I'll also color it as well. You see guys, then this one now pick a color for it. This one is white. I also pick a color for this one as well. Then this one I also pick a color for it. Good. See what we are able to achieve. So guys, You see this my Moho software. It's a pro version. Yes, they are not showing watermark. Everything is working. All the tools are activated for free. So this software is available for my students. Anyone that join my animation class will get this app as a gift for his laptop animation. Okay, so now we have already added the entire shape now. So the next thing now, we need to create a new layer for the shadow. Yeah, this will be, you will see that from our reference, you will see a shadow there. So we are going to draw a shadow for this ball. Okay, so the same. Okay, I also draw this shadow. See this shadow here. I also draw this shadow for the character. Okay, then when you finish drawing, then use your transform. Maybe use your transform. I'll just hide it so that I will be able to see the thing properly. So I adjust all this part. So I just draw this part. Okay, then let us do the actual shadow. See the actual shadow of the ball. We'll use the add point to draw that line, but there is a trick I will use. Just watch me. You will see a trick I'm going to do now. I don't want to, like, there is a way you mask in Moho. So even if you don't want to draw all those things, you can just draw at the outer part anyhow you want. Later I will mask this thing so that you will only be seeing the one around that shape, not the one outside. If you are using Moho, you understand this thing I just did now. There is a way you mask. You mask in Moho. So far you have already created the main ball. You can mask that shadow and the shadow will not show. So let me show you how to mask a shadow. So create a group. Okay, create a group, then you can just call it mask. Then put that shadow and the football, put them inside that masking. Maybe I will just change this masking to I will just change it. Okay, see what you do here. Then I'll create a new group. I'll call it football. Okay, good. Then I'm going to drag that mask inside that football. Okay, so now double click on that football. Then I'll just rename it to main ball. Then I'll now drag this mask. Okay, that mask now, go to, you see layer settings, then go to masking, then click on hide all. Automatically, very easy. So I've already hide the shadow. You will not be seeing that shadow again. Then I'll now color the shadow. Make it something darker, and then press OK. You see the shadow there. Alright, and this other shadow also, I also add the shadow as well. Okay, that's what we are going to be doing. Then so select all this shape, then pick a color for it. So I'm going to pick this color for this shape. So you see, I was able to pick this color and do everything. And then the masking, click on masking, then click on hide all, and then click apply. Automatically you will hide anything outside of those things. So even if you render this image, it will not show again. Yes, it will not show because I've already masked it. Forget about the line that is showing. If I click on render, the thing will not show. Okay, all right. So at this point we are done with the designing. So that is just this thing. Now maybe I'll just do a shadow. For this one now will be for the outside shadow. You see that there is an outside shadow. You see the difference. So we'll have the inner shadow for the football, then outer shadow for the for the sun that is acting on the football. So I'm going to use my transform point to drag all those points to follow with the reference. Okay, so you have to adjust all these things properly now. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjust all these things now. So I'll adjust all the parts, all these points. Then by the time I finish adjusting, then I'll now use the transform layer to move. Okay, I'll just color the thing. So for the coloring, it's just something darker. disable the stroke, then use your transform point and transform layer to move it in place. Okay, so I'll just move it over to this place. So guys, we are done with the drawing now. We have finished everything. Then let us render this thing. Let us preview it. You see our drawing looking very neat. So guys, that is all about this video. And then this is just the animation, and I don't want this video to be too long, so I've already do the rigging whereby I added squash and stretch to this ball for it to actually bounce. So I did the animation, but I don't want this video to be too long. So if you want to learn more about boning, and you know that in Moho you have to bone your character. Anything you draw, you have to bone it. So by the time you bone it, that is when you can now do squash and stretch, be able to make the thing move, even do squash and stretch for the shadow. So all these things are what you will learn. So even if you are using phone or laptop, you can join my animation class, because I teach all those things, the rigging and bone rigging and everything. So and I teach them step by step. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video to this level, like this video and write my name in comments, Obyno Tutorials. I promise to give you a shout out in my next tutorial. So guys, we are done with the tutorial. So that is all we could do in this tutorial. But if you want to learn how to add bone to your football so that your football can be able to do squash and stretch, and if you want to learn how to animate the football, because the video is getting too long, that is why I didn't show all those parts. But if you want to learn how I animated this football to make it to do squash and stretch and other things, and that is what I teach in my animation class. So you can enjoy my animation class and learn all those things. Okay, the link is in the description. And then if you like this football that we designed, if you like this football, you can actually purchase the project file, and then you can use it in your animation project, and it's available on my Gumroad store. So on my Gumroad store, we have many other cartoon assets you can use. We have Rico character there, we have other cartoon characters designed for you. So you just process it, download, then import to your project, and then start animating easily and create a quality cartoon video. Okay, so make sure you check out my Gumroad store. Again, the link will be in the description of this video. And don't forget, I have private one-on-one animation class where I'll teach you everything about cartoon animation. I teach my students step-by-step process on how to animate and create cartoon videos, either with your phone or laptop. So I have animation class. So if you're interested in any of them and you want to learn how to create cartoon videos, so join my animation class. Yes, so once you join my animation class, you will gain access to all the animation apps and software I use for creating cartoon videos and creating characters. So check the link in the description of this video. You will find my WhatsApp channel link. So join the WhatsApp channel, then contact me from there, so that I will give you access to the animation course, and then I'll also start the animation class with you. So guys, all right, what am I forgetting next? Not Navi. So that's all about this video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Like this video and also share this video so that other people will also learn. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Then please guys, check the link. I have done over 5 tutorials on Moho. Just check the link in the description of this video. You can continue watching my Moho tutorial and see other stuff that I created in Moho. Okay, all right, now thank you for watching.